Hello everyone. So welcome to my channel. So if you want to crack coding interviews, improve your problem solving skills, or if you want to build strong programming fundamentals, then this course is for you. So this is a complete data structures and algorithms using Python course. Here we are not using with any programming languages like C or C++ or Java. We are using Python, and this course is especially designed for the beginners and the students who want to learn step by step. So, in this course, we are not just going to write the code, but we are going to understand how to think like a programmer. Everyone thinks like a human, but in this, we have to think like a programmer. Then only you can able to solve any real world problem. So that is what we will do here. And here we will use Python because it is very simple syntax and also it is a powerful one. So and this is the perfect programming for learning DSA without getting stuck in complex syntax. So if you are using any Java or C++, it will make a complicated syntax, because if you get a small error also, you cannot able to solve within less time. It will take a complex time to resolve that. So that is what. So, and what is the best part here means I will be explaining everything by using visuals, animations, and real life examples, so that even if you are feeling any difficult topics, it makes easy. So in that case, I am explaining this through animations and visuals. And next one, if you are ready to start your DSA journey, let us begin. So here, what is the course vision and motivation means? So what is the course vision and motivation means? So it is especially designed to help you build strong fundamentals in problem solving. So if you are solving any real world problem or any coding problem, so fundamentals are very important. So once you master the fundamentals, then you can able to solve any real world problem, or you can solve any real world coding. So that's why you have to master fundamentals. So in this course, definitely you will master the fundamentals through this journey. And next one is, why is DSA important? Because if you want to write your programs, or if you want to write your code efficiently, by using this DSA we can able to do that. And also this DSA will help you to solve real world problems. So in the real world we are having a lot of problems. So if you want to solve those real world problems, definitely these data structures and algorithms will help you. And most importantly, you can able to crack technical interviews. So if you go and see anywhere in or any technical interviews, this DSA plays a very important role. And also we are not focusing only on theory, but we will focus on logic, patterns, and thinking approach. So theory, one side theory is important for understanding. Another one is understanding logic, patterns, and thinking is very important as a programmer. Next one, you will get doubt why we are using Python even we are having C++, Java. So because it is having simple syntax, and also you can able to focus only on you can able to focus on logic instead of complicated code. If you go for the C++ or Java, you have to focus on complicated code. But here you don't need to focus on that. You just need to focus on logic only. And also it is very powerful enough to implement. Why? Because means we are having some advanced topics like recursions, dynamic programming, and graphs. So if you want to implement those type of powerful techniques, then this Python is very better to handle them. Next one. So why we are using this YouTube animation means sometimes will be having some concepts. So like pointer movements, it means how the pointer is moving and how it is addressing to the next one. And we are having recursion call stack, how the recursion is working, tree traversals, like that we are having some concepts. So in order to visualize and in order to explain what is happening internally, then animation is required. So you should understand what is happening internally also. Then only you can able to solve the problems. And next one is, who are the target audience and what are the expectation means. So this course is perfect for beginners in programming. So those who are beginners to the programming, this is perfect one. And the students who are from computer science or IT or BCA or MCA, you can go able to go through this. And the people who are preparing for coding interviews also, this course is definitely useful. Not only for them, also the people who are preparing for gate also, it is very much useful. So here you don't require any prior DSA knowledge, so you just require consistency and practice. So if you show the consistency and practice, definitely you will become a good programmer. Now we will see the prerequisites for the learning DSA with Python. So here you don't require any advanced knowledge, but you should have some basic knowledge. That is having some basic Python syntax, variables and data types, loops and conditions and functions. You must know about these fundamentals, how they are working and how to implement in real world problems. And won't worry about the recursion, I will teach it from scratch. So this is what. And programming fundamentals. So programming fundamentals. So in programming fundamentals, you will be learning about how to use these loops for repetition, how to use the conditional statements for making the decisions, and how do we are storing the variables in how we are storing the data in variables. Like those we will be learning. And also next one, what knowledge you will expect from Python means. So you should be comfortable with this list. It is very important. Next, tuples, sets, dictionaries. Next, indexing and iteration. Basic operations like append method, pop method. So those are very important in order to solve DSA problems, because those operations are these concepts are very heavily used in DSA. Once you learn this, definitely you can able to solve this. Next one is, what are the tools that we are using. So if you want what are the required software means, you can able to download the Python 3x. It is free one only. Otherwise you can able to download VS Code, PyCharm or Jupyter Notebook, or even if you can able to use this Google Colab also. And you should have some stable internet connection for practicing those kind of things in online softwares. So that is what. So next one is learning discipline and practice. So here this is very important stage. So here you just watching videos is not enough. Watching videos makes you the concepts clear, but you cannot able to clear the applications. Then you must pass and try you must pass the video and try to solve the problems. And generally you make the mistakes, that doesn't that it is a quite common. But again rebounding back and learning the concept and debugging your code and making it correct, it makes you perfect. So this is what. And also you have to practice the daily. So that is what how real learning happens. So next one is teaching methodology and visual approach. It means how I am going to teach for these concepts like that. So my teaching approach will be, definitely I will build intuition using real life example. So whenever I get into the topic, I will take some real life examples. Then by using those real life examples, I will build the intuition. So building intuition is very important in coding aspect. So once you build your intuition, then you can able to solve any problem by using your intuition. So I will build the intuition over here. Then visualize the concept. So after that, whatever the concept that is there, so we will visualize the concept. Then we have to implement it Python. And we will also analyze time and space complexity. So time and space complexity also very important for coding. So we have to measure how much time it is taking, how much amount of space it is consuming, like that. So I already said about the animations and visualizations. Just I will use the animations. Why? Because means how the arrays are changing, how stacks and queues are working, and how the recursion builds and returns, and how trees and graphs are traversed. So this makes learning much easier. So this is. Now we will see the course outcomes. So what are the course outcomes means? So By the end of this course, you will be able to solve coding problems confidently, and you will be able to choose the right data structure. It means, suppose if you are solving any real world problem, we should know what type of data structure we have to choose. So that is, and also you can able to write the efficient Python code, and you can able to understand time and space complexity. So this is what. So um, if you find this course helpful, then subscribe to my channel, like and share the video, and most importantly, practice consistently. So let us learn together, grow together, and practice together. So from the next video, we will start with the first and most important topic, time and space complexity. So stay tuned together and let's begin this journey together. So thank you. Have a nice day. We'll see you in the next lecture.